Sino dito ang nanonood ng Momay? Taas ang kamay.
Momay? Nanood?
Nanood pala?
Oo.
O sino dito ang sinubaybayan ng 100 Days to Heaven?
Ay, ang dami. Siguro na sa yung bawang endorser na movie.
At sino naman dito ang nanonood ngayon ng Once Upon a Time?
Ay, itong batang to, yung tawansa. Isang buong taon siyang nagwansa. Nawala sa ng story yan.
Sesa ng Once.
Respeto ng Once Upon a Time. Kilala na po ba siya? Kilala na niya.
Kilala natin siya bilang si Momay at mas kilala din natin siya bilang si Madam Ana.
Ana Madagascar.
Palakpakan natin lahat. Please welcome
Cyrene Madama!
Kuya? muskin. Dahil po yung muskin, kapag sinuot ko po, laging yung fashion, yung dress, tapos po, stylish po yung mga tops, yung shorts, and leggings po nila. Tapos, mayroon din po mga colorful, meron din po bright, tsaka po, marami pa pong binibigay na iba pa pong design yung mga whiskers.
Talaga? Sige. Bakit ako sa'yo? Kasi merong ano?
Kasi masaya din sila eh.
Hindi.
Ingay natin eh. Rinig na rinig ko eh.
Yung feeling ko kasi merong nakabantay sa'yo sa gilid.
Oo. Yung mga nag-aabot kanina ng poster.
Kinakilig ka nga eh.
Oo, kikilig ako.
Ay, naman, Zay.
Basta meron sila.
Ang takas!
Nakingay nyo, Ben.
Ang galing mataas yung energy!
Rinig na rinig ko yung palakpakan nila eh. Kanina pa.
Oo, at dahil mataas energy mo, tsaka mataas din yung energy nila, meron ka pang inundang isang pagdapa sa kanila.
Opo. Pero manood po kayo na 24/7 na live showing na po sa November 21. Lahat po kayo na tatas na energy nyo.
Tanong mo muna sila kung excited silang marinig yung second number mo.
Excited na po ba kayo marinig yung second number ko?
Oo, excited ako!
Yay! Sumagot rin sa mga!
Please welcome, Cyril Manabo!
Sometimes for a kiss, I wasn't looking for this. Right now, in my way, you're there for me. Kiss in my shoulder, hot side is slow. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I like you, and this crazy, but it's my number. So call me, baby. It's hard to cry, hard to baby, but it's my number. So call me, baby. Hey, I like you, and this crazy, but it's my number. I didn't know how to feel, but now it's in my way. Your sense of belief keeps in my shoulder. Hot like when it's cold. Where you think it's going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this baby, but it's my number. So call me, baby. It's hard to cry. I'm your baby, but it's my number. So call me, baby. Hey, I just met you, and this baby, but it's my number. So call me, baby. It's hard to cry. Got a baby, but it's my number. So call me, baby. Before you give me too much, I'm so bad. I miss you so bad. I miss you so, so bad. Before you give me too much, I miss you so bad. I miss you so bad. I miss you so, so bad.